Hi guys, welcome back everyone. If you're trying to find the next big meme coins early, you have probably heard of GMGN AI and Birdeye. But which one actually gives better alpha? In this video, I will break it down in the simplest way possible. If you haven't joined GMGN AI, you can use our referral code, which is IgGGTrth, which is also being displayed on the screen, or you can check for our referral link, which is available into the description of the video, so that you can save big transaction gas fees forever and it's easy to use. Okay, so what is GMGN AI? GMGN AI is a tool focused on finding early opportunities automatically. It tracks wallet activity, new tokens, market signals. It even offers features like copy trading and automation. As you can see, this is the copy trade option. I have created multiple videos on this website. Regarding this website, you can check my YouTube channel for these videos in case you want more detailed information. Okay, so what is Birdeye? Birdeye is more like a data and analytics platform. It shows token price, liquidity, volume, real-time market data. Think of it as a powerful dashboard for analyzing tokens. So the key difference is, here's the simplest way to understand it. GMGN AI find opportunities for you, while the Birdeye show you the data so you can decide. One is more automated, the other is more analytical. Okay, so which is better for finding alpha? If your goal is to find meme coins alpha early, then GMGN AI is stronger. Okay, Birdeye is better for confirming data, checking liquidity, analyzing chart. So if you ask for my suggestion, I'm personally choosing GMGN AI. Okay, so if you are a beginner, start with Birdeye to understand the data, then use GMGN AI to speed up your discovery process. The best trade, don't rely on just one tool, they combine tools. Okay, so if you want more tutorials like this, subscribe and I will see you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.